Chris here from Looped, and today I want to talk about the iPhone 14 Pro. After getting it and using it for a week, I'm able to tell you what I like and don't like about the phone. To start with, I'll talk about the dynamic island. That's the big feature of this year's iPhone. I really like it because it'll show you what app is open in the background. So for example, like if you're playing music, it'll show you an album. If you leave the dynamic island holding for 2 seconds, it'll pop up the controls for the music app, or you can just tap on it and it'll take you directly to the music app. It's also able to display 2 background applications at the same time. For example, if you have the Apple Maps open and music app at the same time, it'll show you 2 bubbles on each side. One would be the music app and another one would be the Apple Maps. And you're able to tap on either one to go directly to that app if you need to. It'll show you directions. So if you have the Apple Maps open, it'll show you directions while you're using other apps, which is awesome. The display, it is now 2000 nits, super bright. You're able to see this display when the sun is hitting your screen directly. It is super smooth, and another awesome feature that this iPhone brings is the always on display. The reason why I like it so much is because when my phone it's charging on my desk, I'm able to see my notifications without having to touch my phone. Before, I would have to reach over to my iPhone and tap on the screen. That's a thing of the past now. I just look at it and I see everything that's going on my phone. The camera on this phone, it's great. So now it has a 48 megapixel camera, and on the front it has a 12 megapixel camera. Images and video look great on this phone. Obviously it's faster, it has a new chip in it. The only thing I don't like about this phone is the size. I'm coming from an iPhone 12 mini and I love small phones. I'm not going to lie, I was a little upset when they discontinued the iPhone mini. So I'm not a big fan of the 6.1 inch screen. If they would have released an iPhone 14 Pro mini, I would have gone for that. But anyways, rest in peace. Hopefully we get to see you again in the future when you're a little better, because the battery was horrible on that phone. And the iPhone 14 Pro, honestly, it's a huge upgrade for me. Hopefully they bring a smaller phone back again sometime in the future. Cross my fingers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can get notifications on new videos that I release.